Hi my dear friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, in this video we're going to see vacancies from IPCA Laboratories. So this is a walk-in for packaging and manufacturing department on 8th July Saturday from 10 a.m. onwards, my dear friends, at IPCA guest house, plot number 56. So here you can see the experience required is 0 to 5 years. So freshers of B Pharma, BSc, Diploma. So candidates can apply salary as per company norms. So the location of the venue is interview venue is Daman and Diu Silva. So these are the details regarding the vacancy from IPCA Laboratories, my dear friends. So thank you for watching. So please utilize the opportunity. So packaging and manufacturing in compression, granulation and coating. So please spread the word by sharing this job news along with our channel with your friends so that they can get updated about new openings whenever available in the pharma industry. Thank you for watching. So please utilize the opportunity.